Welcome to this exceptional country estate nestled in Sherwood. Situated on more than 5.5 acres, it's close to town, but in a wonderfully tranquil and private setting. The paved driveway with plenty of guest parking invites you to explore this carefully designed home. You'll discover an elegant fusion of indoor and outdoor living spaces with luxurious craftsmanship throughout. From the cascading wall of windows to the beautiful hardwood floors, no detail is overlooked. The chef's kitchen features slab granite counters, a cooktop island, custom cabinets, stainless appliances, and abundant storage space. You'll find a main floor executive home office and a convenient, spacious bedroom. On the upper level, unwind and relax in the master suite, one of 5 bedroom suites with an inviting sitting area and peaceful views. On the lower level, entertain in the expansive family room with a gaming area and a wet bar. Double doors lead to the exercise room, and you'll find another bedroom suite. An adjacent flex space includes room for a wine cellar or shop area. The spectacular outdoors encompasses multiple living and entertainment areas. Host large gatherings or intimate get-togethers on the expansive patio by the outdoor kitchen. Or explore the pathways, fire pits, year-round creek, and quiet, well-appointed sitting areas. Experience true relaxation in the soothing private wood hot tub. A fantastic opportunity in one of Oregon's most desirable communities. It's all here ready for you to call home. This is just a preview. There's so much more for you to see. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Jason and Amber Gardner at 971-832-1234 or visit them online at gardnerteam.net.